Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to change brightness on your Windows 11. So for this guys, just I am going to show you very easy and very simple method. You can see the battery icon on your taskbar. Just you need to click on that icon. From here you can get the option to increase and decrease the brightness on your Windows 11. So this is the first method. You can also change the brightness of your Windows 11 from the Windows 11 settings. Open the settings and go to the system and display, and in the display you can get the option brightness. From here you can easily adjust your Windows 11 brightness. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.